Embroidery machines can look similar on paper, but hoop size, design transfer, and sewing versatility can completely change what you can make. We compared 5 of the best embroidery machines for 2026, and one key difference separates the standouts. When choosing an embroidery machine, prioritize hoop size, design transfer options, built-in designs, ease of use, and whether you need sewing capability too, because these features have the biggest impact on what you can create. Now, let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Brother PE535. This embroidery-only machine suits beginners or sewists who already own a sewing machine and want a simple option for smaller, personalized projects. Its main strength is ease of use. The 4x4-inch embroidery field works well for monograms, patches, children's items, and compact decorative designs. You get 80 built-in embroidery designs, 10 frame patterns, and 9 lettering fonts, giving you useful options right out of the box. The USB port also lets you import compatible embroidery designs into the machine's built-in memory, so you are not limited to the included library. A color touchscreen provides design previews and on-screen positioning, while automatic needle threading and built-in tutorials help make setup more approachable. Key specs include a 4x4-inch maximum embroidery area, 80 designs, 9 fonts, and a weight of about 15 pounds. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. The PE535 is discontinued, and its 4x4 field limits larger projects. It also does not function as a traditional sewing machine. Buy it if you want straightforward embroidery for small projects. Skip it if you need larger hoops or sewing capability. Those limitations are why it ranks 5th. Coming in at number 4, the Brother LB5000. This 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine suits beginners and hobbyists who want more versatility than an embroidery-only model. Its biggest advantage is flexibility. You get a 4x4-inch embroidery area plus 103 built-in sewing stitches, so one machine can handle personalization, garment work, repairs, and decorative sewing. For embroidery, Brother includes 80 built-in designs and 9 lettering fonts, giving beginners plenty of options for monograms, patches, apparel, and smaller decorative projects. The color touchscreen lets you preview and reposition designs, adjust thread colors, and curve lettering, while USB importing expands your design choices beyond the built-in library. Needle up-down control, variable sewing speed, drop feed, and automatic thread cutting make regular sewing easier, and 7 quick-change sewing feet cover common everyday tasks. Key specs include a 4x4 embroidery field, 80 embroidery designs, 103 sewing stitches, and 9 embroidery fonts. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. The 4x4 field limits larger embroidery, and design transfer relies on USB rather than wireless connectivity. Buy it if you want one compact machine for sewing and small embroidery projects. Skip it if larger hoops or wireless transfer matter more. Its added sewing versatility earns it the number 4 spot. Coming in at number 3, the Brother SE700. This sewing and embroidery combo suits beginners who want wireless design transfer without giving up everyday sewing. Its biggest advantage is connectivity. Wireless LAN lets you send compatible embroidery files from a computer, while Brother's Artspira app can transfer designs from a mobile device. For embroidery, you get 135 built-in designs and 10 lettering fonts. The 4x4-inch field works best for monograms, patches, and other compact designs. The color touchscreen lets you preview and edit designs before stitching, while built-in memory keeps imported patterns available. On the sewing side, 103 built-in stitches, 10 one-step buttonholes, an advanced needle threader, automatic thread cutting, and 8 presser feet make it more versatile than an embroidery-only machine. Key specs include a 4x4 embroidery area, 135 designs, 103 sewing stitches, wireless LAN, and sewing speeds up to 710 stitches per minute. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. Wireless transfer is useful, but the 4x4 embroidery limit remains. Buy it if you want a connected sewing and embroidery machine for smaller projects. Skip it if larger embroidery fields are your priority. Its design library and wireless workflow justify the number 3 spot. Coming in at number 2, the Brother SE1900. This sewing and embroidery combo is the stronger choice for creators who have outgrown a 4x4 embroidery field. Its biggest advantage is the 5x7-inch embroidery area. That extra workspace handles larger designs and lettering with less rehooping than the compact machines below it. You get 138 built-in embroidery designs and 240 sewing stitches, giving you much more room to move between decorative embroidery, garment sewing, quilting, and everyday projects. The color touchscreen lets you preview, reposition, combine, and adjust designs, while the USB port allows you to import compatible embroidery files. An advanced needle threader, quick-set bobbin, knee lifter, and My Custom Stitch feature add useful control, while 8 included feet cover common sewing and embroidery tasks. Key specs include a 5x7 embroidery field, 138 designs, 240 sewing stitches, and sewing speeds up to 850 stitches per minute. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. The SE1900 is discontinued, and unlike newer brother models, design transfer is USB-based rather than wireless. Buy it if larger embroidery projects matter more than wireless convenience. Skip it if you prefer a current generation connected workflow. Its larger working area earns it the number 2 position. Coming in at number 1, the Singer SE9180. This sewing and embroidery combo suits creators who want a large touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and strong versatility. Its biggest advantage is the connected workflow. Creativate Wi-Fi supports wireless design transfer and embroidery progress notifications. For embroidery, you get 150 built-in designs and 10 fonts, while the included 170 by 100 mm hoop gives you more room than compact 4x4 machines. The 7-inch color touchscreen makes designs easier to preview and navigate, while mirror imaging adds creative flexibility. For sewing, more than 250 built-in stitches provide 401 stitch applications. Automatic needle threading, a built-in thread cutter, drop feed, and needle up-down control simplify everyday projects. Key specs include 150 embroidery designs, more than 250 sewing stitches, a 7-inch touchscreen, and speeds up to 800 stitches per minute for sewing and 450 for embroidery. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. The included hoop is smaller in one dimension than the SE1900's 5x7 field, and some advanced Creativate tools require a paid membership. Buy it if you value connectivity, screen size, sewing versatility, and embroidery features together. Skip it if maximum hoop area matters more. That overall balance earns it number 1. Choose the machine that best fits your embroidery size, sewing needs, and workflow. Check the links below for current prices and availability. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Gadget Flow.